everyone, and welcome back to Jeli's Journey. Today we are in Ayia Napa on the coastline, not that far from Ayia Napa Harbour, and we are at the Grecian Bay Hotel. Now it is January the 29th, so it's a bit desolate. It is closed down for the season, but look at this lovely little area that they have. They've got the beach bar and they've got the beach bar menu. And they've got the little QR code.
And they've got little ashtrays. And they've got some sort of bell thing, yeah. You can ring for service or something like that.
So the prices for season 25, they might change, they might stay the same. You got your fruits, you got your juices,
Cold beverages,
coffee,
beers. So a nice pint of
brandy sour.
Teo is €5. No, actually, that's not. That's a bottle, isn't it? 33 CL.
Probably
beer,
a little bit more on the coast.
Draft beer, €6.50.
You've got your champagne, cocktails.
10 or €11.
But
Non
yeah.
alcoholics, and probably got some wine at the
And you
back.
got your wine as well.
So by the glass, €8 or €9 for a
Memorial
glass of
Chandon, €120. But yes. Let's take a quick look at the hotel. It looks completely different, doesn't it, when the season's closed? But what a beautiful spot. Have you stayed at the hotel? Tell us what you think if you have. Are you planning on coming here this year? It's gorgeous.
If you are planning on coming here, I think it's a good one. I think it's, well, smack bang on the beach, isn't it?
It really is.
It's almost like a private beach area here, isn't it, really? So this is for guests only.
This will be guest only, I would have thought.
Guests only, this. I'm not sure if the public can come in and we'll give the umbrellas. Sure. We'll go up and have a look.
Oh, you got your little
But
walkway.
if you can get one of these seafront balconies here,
Wow,
I think you're onto a winner.
what a beautiful view.
Well, in fact, all the rooms look as though they've got sea views. Well, obviously the ones at the back won't have.
There's a ramp.
There's a ramp.
Not the ramp, so disability access.
Doing a lot of work at this hotel, a lot of painting.
They are, aren't they? Ground area.
Pool towels on that there, or beach towels.
Yeah. But yes, they're definitely doing some work on the pool area side.
This will be your beach bar here.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
Maybe some.
Beautiful pool area and the grill bar. Nice sunbeds. A bridge.
Yeah.
We like a bridge.
I do like a bridge, don't we?
Oh, beautiful hotel. Like I said, they're all doing work over there. Friendly bunch. 2 pools, or is it 1 pool that's under the bridge? Looks like it's.
I think it's one continuous pool.
That's huge, isn't it?
Obviously, that second pool over there looks massive. The second half.
Restaurant area.
It looks really nice in there, the restaurant, doesn't it? Look here.
Let's go and have a look.
Before we get
I'll
there.
follow you, Jezza.
Yeah, follow me.
The workmen having a jolly good chat with each other across the balconies. That is a huge pool, isn't it? Nice bar area. And the Grecian Bay. Hello!
Hello.
It is huge, isn't it?
It is massive, isn't it? It's a massive pool.
You've got your fisherman's hut over there.
Looks really nice. So I think we can go up there and walk
And you can
along
come along there. I will follow you then.
there.
I'll
That's
just
cool. Yeah.
pan this round.
No problem. Oh, okay. No problem.
That's a deep
Right, so
pool.
he's doing a bit of work up there.
Oh,
so
we'll leave it then.
We'll leave it and we just go back round.
But it does like you've got space over there. Oh, you know, if I was on holiday, I've already got my spot placed. I think I'll be over there somewhere.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Really lovely hotel. Gorgeous balconies here.
Let's have a walk over the bridge, shall we?
Yes. And that's how they do it.
Mm.
You know what this reminds me of? Turkey.
Yeah.
They're doing loads of work, aren't they? Hello.
How are you? Very good, how are you? Not too bad. Good, good. You supervising? Yeah.
We've just been talking to one of the supervisors. Lovely man. And he's asking about our YouTube channel, which is quite nice. So, the Grecian Bay, the pool rules. There is no lifeguard on duty here. Children must be supervised. You keep premises tidy. Shower before using the pools. It's the standard rules. So, have you been here? It is.
There's a nice gym here, I think, as well.
Sorry?
A nice gymnasium here.
Is there?
If you want to work out.
I'm going to presume you get your towels there. That
We've
looks
got
like.
an indoor pool as well.
Oh.
Oh, there's somebody actually working out in there.
Oh. We'll not interrupt somebody having a workout.
No.
Fabulous gym area. God, it's huge, isn't it?
Massive, isn't it?
We'll not go too close if there's people working out in there. But indoor pool area.
Doesn't that look nice?
Oh, nice pads.
Yeah, that looks lovely, that, doesn't it?
Look at that view that you get as well.
And all of these balconies up here, they've all got beautiful sea views, haven't they?
Haven't they? They look a good size as well.
Yeah, they look really good size.
Not sure we're supposed to be in here, but we'll have a quick look in. As we said, we've got the gym. And you've got your spa specials. One day stress release, €150. What a lovely hotel. Grecian Health Club opening hours 7:45 till 8 o'clock in the evening. Staff only area. It really is.
Lovely.
A lovely hotel.
Fitness activities, tennis courts.
Tennis courts if you need to reserve. The gym dress code. Monday you've got lots of yoga and stretching, and then you've got your abs, your Pilates, aqua noodles, aerobics, circuit training. It's very good actually. Sunbed reservations. So, to provide a better service for our pool beach area, we suggest you reserve your sunbed umbrella at the beach club for the period of your stay. Your sunbed will be reserved until 10:30 a.m. After that, it's going to be available for other guests. It's a good idea.
Yeah, if you're not down by 10:30 on your sunbed, they will presume that you've gone off on a trip or something, haven't they? So they're free up for somebody else.
But I'm going to leave you all with that beautiful view of an empty pool. But just imagine it. Summer holidays, gorgeous pool area, mattresses are on the sunbeds, music playing, and you have the beautiful beach just on your doorstep. If there is anywhere that you would like us to go, please let us know. Put it in the comments, send us an email. We really do not mind, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. If you do like our content, please like and subscribe. We would love to get to our 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. That would be fantastic. But until next time, everyone, I'm going to leave you with a view of the Grecian Bay Hotel. Until next time, everyone, take care now. Bye.